Hello and welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at the desktop version of the Workplace Inspection Reports module. Workplace inspection reports, which are tailored and named according to the individual industry the workplace is associated with, are used to assess physical safety within the workplace and identify and document any potential risks or hazards. Like all system modules, the access and inclusions visible in this module vary according to individual user access levels, which are controlled in the User Management module. However, for the purpose of this tutorial, we're seeing everything as a workplace administrator would see it. This module features the same fundamental layout as all modules in the system. Below the module name and icon are the main controls, in this case a link back to the workplace homepage, the option to add a new record, the option to download a blank version of the form for manual completion, and the option to export all the data in the module in a CSV file. To the right are the module help notes and link to the video tutorial. Depending on when your workplace was created, you may also see one or more archives below the help icons in this particular module. Any archives will be accessible via the relevant icons, and just like all completed workplace inspection reports, archive records can only be viewed or exported, but not edited. Below is the module list view. The controls at the top of the list and in the column headings allow you to search, filter and sort the list according to various criteria. The small export icon at the right of the search and filter tools exports only the records that are being displayed after filtering, and just like the main module export function, it allows for selection of the data fields that are included in the export. Mousing over the action icons displays the various options for managing existing records in the module. And to add a new record, select the plus icon, which in turn displays the Workplace Inspection Report form. Selecting the up icon at the top of the form returns to the list view, but it doesn't save the record. The first two form fields in the report details area, the date created and the author, are pre-populated. The next field, the report title, serves as a reference to this report and is also used to identify this report when using the function in the next field, preloading custom questions from a previous report. While the actual categories and questions contained within industry-specific workplace inspection reports varies from system to system, they all follow the same format, a series of sections containing a number of fixed and custom questions. Every workplace inspection report form that's saved can be used again as a template for future reports. When using a template, any custom questions entered into the original report will be pre-populated into the new report. To load a template, start entering the previous report title into the field. When the relevant title is selected, the system automatically loads the custom questions and confirms that the data has been loaded successfully. The form itself is then broken up into the various sections. Each section contains a series of questions. If an entire section of the form is not relevant, you can select the checkbox at the top of the section to automatically pre-populate all questions in that section with an NA response. Otherwise, each question requires a direct response of yes, no or NA. Regardless of the response you select for each question, the system allows you to add notes related to every question for future use. However, if a no response is selected, the related comments field is mandatory, and the notes that are entered into the comments field are then used as the description when the system automatically generates a related task for this particular question once the form is saved. If you don't enter any information into the custom questions, you can leave the responses set to no and the comments field blank, which are not compulsory and they won't generate tasks. However, if you do enter details into any of the free question custom question fields and then select a no response, a comment is required and a task will be generated. Depending on the configuration of your industry-specific workplace inspection report, the final area of the form may allow for addition of one or more documents or files to be related to the report. The form will accept a variety of file types, including all Word and Excel documents, PDF files, all common image formats, and zip files. And to complete the form, click Save. The system will then alert you when saving the form if any related tasks have been created. Once the form has been saved, it can't be edited anymore, but selecting the option that displays when you mouse over the Actions icon in the list view allows records to be viewed or exported. And that completes this tutorial. For more information, please refer to the module help box at any time. Thanks very much for watching.